In this video, we're going to talk about the markets, in addition to some of the coins that I'm just looking at and maybe some of the coins that are active. So let's go. This is going to be a longer video. Right now, we do have Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Bitcoin is looking really good, nice and healthy. I believe it's going to start, doing its thing, going up and down, up and down. We go to a lower time frame. We can see that it is currently coming down at the moment. But I do think that if we come down, we might come down to our all-time high at 99.8 and then potentially come back up. So this is my thought process when it comes to, let's not make it so large. This is my thought process when it comes to this. Now for this, I do think that, let's go to a lower time frame for Bitcoin. So right now we can see that it's starting to bounce. So the lowest I think will go right now, today anyway, possibly, is 99.8. Right now, we are starting to see a little bit of a bounce. We do have bullish divergence on this. We have a low, a lower low. However, we have a low and a higher low, potentially. So this could come up. And I'm actually in a long right now for Bitcoin. We'll see how that turns out. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And okay, so that's enough of that. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is down, man. It was at 61%. It's down to 55%. This is what we want to see. We want to see the dominance come down. When the dominance comes down on Bitcoin, usually, well, right now anyway, we have more money flowing into alts. So the dominance of Bitcoin is coming down. Let's go and look at total 3. Now this is everything. This is all of the entire market for the entire crypto space. Now, this so far is going according to plan. Now, granted, it's going a little bit faster than I thought initially. And this right here, I got from the last bull cycle, which was this. Again, this is all of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the tokens. This is what I think it might happen. We'll have a run up continuing through possibly, let's see here. Maybe April, May is when we might start coming down. But here, according to this, it might be May. And then start coming down. June, July, start coming down. Then in July, it starts picking up. August, September, have a pullback in September. Have a run up back in October, November. This is all next year. And our high, potentially, November, the end of November. And this, the trillion is about 5.36. I think we're going to go higher than this, though. I think we're gonna go 6, maybe even, man, that'd be great if we did 7. I know that's a huge number. We're talking trillions, not billions, but due to everything that's going on in the market, I do see it at least 6 trillion, and I would love to see 7, but we'll just see. This bull run is gonna be amazing, guys, and I'm so happy you're here. Again, this is a video for the VIP group. Let's see, and I will be sharing this with YouTube in general. Now let's go to the ES1 exclamation point, just to show people what we do here on the VIP. This is the ES1 exclamation point. This is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. This is the stock market. It's going up. We have total 2. This is everything except Bitcoin. Boom, moon mission, $1.6 trillion. Right now we are at resistance. Can we break above it? That's going to be the question. I think we will. I think we might have a retrace, just people taking some profit and then continuing and breaking up. Again, hopefully we get this Santa Claus rally that continues to happen. Right now, I'm considering this a Santa Claus rally. USDT dominance. What does this tell us? It broke below our trend line. This is telling us that people are exiting this is exiting the dollar dominance and entering tokens. That's what this is saying. We're buying more tokens right now, which is good for the market. This is the dollar. This is the dollar index, and it had a nice run up, and now it's starting to cool off. This is in our resistance zone. I would love to see the dollar come down. When the dollar comes down, the stock market goes up. When the stock market goes up, generally the crypto market continues to go up. When this goes down, crypto goes up, stock goes up. This is, let's see here. Let's go and look at some of our coins. Let's see here. This is Myra. So we're waiting on this one. We have an area up here and an area here to where we're waiting to see what happens. I just realized since I'm sharing this with the YouTube crowd, I can't show all of my stuff. I just realized that. I will show XLM This one was shown on YouTube. Make sure to follow me on YouTube, guys. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Right now, it entered our buy zone. I do like this. And matter of fact, I'm going to put our alert, if I can grab the alert, and move it down. This was already ready. It's ready. I'm not going to lie. It's ready to go. I'm more than likely going to post this in the VIP group. This one, in my opinion, is ready to go. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. What do we see? We see that it's doing really nice. So I'm going to move this down here. Once my alert goes off, my 4 hour candle needs to close. Let me find an area right here. So this would move to about here. And then we'll keep this right here. This would be what we're looking for. And we have down, up, down. This is our downtrend. Once we break this, we can more than likely potentially start this move up here. Our alert goes off. We make sure that our 4 hour candle closes. I want the 4 hour candle to close above this. Just change my mind. Right here. 4 hour candle must close above. And I'll make this a different color so it's very easy to see. We'll do this one in purple. 0.4849. The 4 hour candle must close above this level after our alert gets hit. Next, let's go ahead and look at Ondo. Ondo is another one that we did on YouTube. It's taken off. It is taken off. And on this one, I do believe that we can adjust this to here. This candle must close above this level. We're on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. Nope. Oh man, there's a lot of selling pressure. I think this one's going to do well as well, though. This one could be a potential other one that we enter. We have 26 minutes to go. If the 1 hour candle closes above this level, 1.72377, I do believe this will be a really nice area to enter. We can probably have the same stop loss. Let's go and see TRON. So TRON, I posted this in the VIP chat group. This is not an official chart yet. In the chat group, I often post charts that I'm looking at. So if you wanted to front run, because I do know there's so many different people in the group with different trading styles. Some are aggressive, some are safer. If you wanted to, you could enter this trade now. However, it's much safer to wait to see if we go into our buy zone. We go into our buy zone, it comes out. Then we can add to our trade. This is what I'm looking for, something like this. If that's the case, we enter the trade. We also have a level up here. So in case it does this number, we can enter the trade as long as the 4 hour candle closes above this level. This is what we're looking for. I do thank you guys very much. This was a much shorter video than I thought it was going to be. I do thank you. We'll see you on the next live stream tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, if you want to, I strongly recommend join the group. This is going to speed up your learning process, speed up the amount of money you're making. Everything is going to be exponentially faster. And here you go. $99 a month. Of course, you can, if you maybe don't go out one time a week, you can pay for this for the whole month, depending on how much you spend. Now, of course, we do have lower tiers for the YouTube support. You have the supporter, you have the believer, and you have the warrior in training. Each level gives you more perks. I do create videos specifically for the VIP group that I also share in the higher tiers. Of course, the higher tier you go, the more you get. If you want everything, well, then just join the group. Join the VIP group. It's amazing. If you have any questions on what we do here, I will show you how. Make sure to follow me. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, and then also send me a message on Telegram. If you're curious on what we do in the VIP, send me a message on Telegram. I will give you the rundown of the groups and why our group is so different than everybody else. On this channel, I show you how to make money before I tell you to join the group. If you want to learn faster, make money faster, well, then just join the group and then you make all that faster. Nothing that I say is financial advice. All of this is for entertainment purposes only. If you want to get ahead of the game, and make the most amount of money you can possibly make. This group, in my opinion, surpasses every other group. I do not post 15, 20 charts a day. I post 1 to maybe 3 charts a day. That way, when we show our gains, speaking about gains, let me go ahead and show you our gains. So let's go over here. Just finished posting some more charts. These are our gains. You are in these trades, whether it's from YouTube or from the group. Right now, 110%. Took a week to do. That's some pretty massive gains. Now, again, I'm not posting 10, 15, 20 charts a day. I'm posting 1 to 3. Here's another one. Well, this is an up. Oh no, there's another one right here. 92%. 2x leverage. Baby leverage. Here's another one. 53%. 6 days. 74%. We do this, and this was an update from earlier. Now, we do this all the time, guys. Now, once again, do we get stopped out? Yes, of course we do. Our losses are few and small. Our wins are great. If you are interested in this, and if you're tired of your mentor giving you trade after trade after trade, buy the breakout, buy the retest, buy this zone, this huge zone, if you're tired of that, well, we show you how to trade. Stop messing around, join the group if you want to make these percentages. But once again, none of this is hopes and dreams and empty promises. This is done at day after day after day. Now, does this happen in one day? No, sure doesn't. This one took 4. You know, none of this is in one day. This was in 6 hours. I do all the waiting for you. I have alerts. The alerts go off. I check the alerts again. Not ready. I set another alert. The alert goes off again. Is it ready? Not yet. I set an alarm on my phone, and then the alarm goes off. And then when I post it in the group, I say, enter now at this moment. Add to your entry when the 15-minute candle breaks above this exact level. If you're tired of buying zones and losing, join my group. I will show you how to do this. Not only that, but I will tell you when to actually enter the trade. Let's make this money, guys. My name is Joe, also known as TradeIntuition, showing you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. We do this every day. Thank you so much, guys. Now, granted, I don't want to do empty promises, empty dreams. I know I said that before. I must stress this. Do we lose? Yes. Yes, we do. Here is one, a week after setup on YouTube. 80%, first target hit. But look at all these gainers, guys. And I'm not posting chart after chart after chart after chart, so I can show you this. 1 to 3 charts a day. That's it. Join the group. Be surprised. Be amazed. Be successful. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.